You work your butt off to create a video and upload it in YouTube. YouTube is also doing its best to list your video in the search results and the suggested columns. Though your video is great, just because the thumbnail is not eye-catchy, the viewers do not select your video to watch. This will not only reduce the number of views for your video, but also sends a wrong signal to YouTube that viewers are not preferring your videos to watch. This is a vicious cycle that will reduce your video views greatly. Hi, my name is Vijayan. I'm a photographer and a video marketing expert. I specialize in helping entrepreneurs to create captivating videos and generate organic traffic using YouTube and blogs. Viewers decide which video to watch majorly looking at the thumbnail. Don't we all do it? A well-designed thumbnail increases the click-through rate of your videos. Do not worry if you haven't done a good design earlier. You can design a better thumbnail and give a fresh look to your video and make it perform really well. In this video, we are going to look at 3 tips which are the 3 main components of any thumbnail design. Tip number 1, photo in the thumbnail. First and foremost thing is to identify the key point of your video and express it in the form of a photo or an image. This will clearly communicate to the viewers what is the video about. Please do not underestimate this. If you are going to talk about a product, photo of the product. If it is a recipe or DIY stuff, you can have an end result photo of that. If it is about a place, of course, the best photo of the place. See, the point is this. Viewers are searching for some question in the YouTube, right? If you can instantly communicate that the answer is there in your video, they will prefer to select your video over others. Next important thing is to have your own photo. Do not shy away. Viewers can connect with human faces easily, recognize and remember them well. In fact, during the video recording itself, you can capture some photos and use it for thumbnail designs. See, the secret key is to have some kind of emotion in your face. Emotion always gets the attention. So instead of being very formal and dead serious, please loosen up and have some kind of emotion in your face like excited, puzzled, worried, etc. Tip number 2 is the text in the thumbnail. Text is super duper important. Choose the right word or the phrase. Text need not be same as the title. Even if you are not a good designer, you can make it up by having the right word. And do not write a story in your thumbnail. Let it be short, just 1 or 2 phrases or words. Your viewers might see it in mobile, so make the font size really big and bold. It should be easily readable, so please choose a legible font. Do not choose a fancy font which nobody can read. Design composition. Now that you know how photo and text should be in your thumbnail, let's see how to place these 2 things in your design. Use standard fonts and colors. Branding is very important. If you have a consistent look, people will recognize your video and start preferring it. So you will become a known devil rather than being an unknown angel. Joking. Do not hesitate to use contrasting colors which are very eye-catchy but at the same time pleasant. Do not get satisfied with one design. This is very important. Make variations, at least 2 or 3. Trouble your friends, family members and ask them to choose the best one. If you're interested, you can join in my Facebook group where you can upload your thumbnail and get feedback from me and others. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please give importance to your thumbnail and design it well. All the very best for your YouTube growth. If you think this information was helpful to you, please share this video. Please subscribe to this channel to get more such informative video. See you soon. Namaste.